Light beam will Israel's new laser weapon replace traditional missiles explained. Israel has unveiled the Light beam hard kill neutralization system, an advanced laser weapon designed to intercept and destroy aerial threats like drones and mortars midair, marking a major leap in next-generation air defense technology. Building on the success of the Iron Beam laser defense, Israeli defense firm Rafael Advanced Defense Systems' latest innovation offers enhanced accuracy for short-range engagements. This, if acquired, may strengthen India's defense capabilities in the face of evolving security challenges. And the growing technological partnership and exchange of advanced weapon systems between Israel and India is playing a crucial role in strengthening regional security. With India already having acquired the Sky Striker kamikaze drone from Israel, it may now explore the possibility of procuring this laser beam technology as well. Israel's new laser technology is designed to neutralize drones, mortars and small missiles midair. According to a report by the Jerusalem Post, the system uses a high-powered laser beam to jam and destroy enemy threats at close range with high precision. Compact and versatile, it can be mounted on standard vehicles such as a 44 Jeep, making deployment quick and flexible. In addition to physical interception, the system also functions as a jammer, disabling enemy electronic equipment. Its laser beam is virtually unlimited, allowing for continuous and rapid-fire operation. And this laser weapon is significantly more cost-effective than conventional missile systems, offering India a way to reduce defense spending. Its ability to instantly neutralize drones and small arms threats will greatly enhance border security. The system which can be mounted on operational army vehicles will boost mobile combat capabilities. Moreover, adopting this advanced Israeli technology would mark another step forward for India in embracing next-generation defense systems. BrahMos, known as the P-800 Onyx in Russia, was developed through an India-Russia joint venture. In a similar way, if India co-develops Israel's laser beam technology, it could lower costs and secure a significant advantage in aerial defense. And the Israel Defense Forces IDF have, for the first time, confirmed the operational success of a newly developed laser-based defense system, capable of intercepting multiple aerial threats during the current conflict. As reported by the Jerusalem Post, the system closely related to the Iron Beam laser platform has demonstrated its effectiveness in real-time combat, marking a major leap in Israel's deployment of directed energy weapons. The Jerusalem Post also noted that the IDF had previously employed laser technology in operational scenarios as early as 2024, though restrictions at the time prevented public disclosure. Rafael Advanced Defense Systems showcased its latest innovations at the AUSA Defense Exhibition, held in Washington, D.C., from October 14-16, 2024. Among the highlights was the debut of the Light Beam laser interception system, integrated with the Trophy Active Protection System. According to the Jerusalem Post, defense sources have suggested that Israel's new Light Beam laser system is primarily designed to counter drones and potentially mortar threats, though it is not yet capable of intercepting larger threats like rockets or long-range missiles. Swipe left for next video. Sources also noted that the Light Beam features hard kill neutralization technology, which can be mounted on various military vehicles. It can also function as part of Israel's Drone Dome system, which combines jamming and soft kill measures to disable aerial threats. Rafael highlighted that the Light Beam offers key benefits such as near-instant engagement, an effectively unlimited firing capacity, and extremely low cost per use, making it a highly efficient solution for short-range air defense. Latest blogs.